How to change export in PNG in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this content option. Simply tap on content. Now here on the top, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on settings. Now I'm in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see different options. Now on the top, you can see export in .png. So simply select PNG. Now this has been enabled. Now every photo that you edit and export will be saved in PNG file in your mobile device. So it's according to your preference if you want .jpg or .png. Now if you go back, it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.